how to connect your Pincoin with n8n. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Pincoin to n8n. If you're new to Pincoin, if you don't know what it is basically a powerful vector database that helps you to store and search embeddings, which is super useful when you're working with AI or chatbot or RAG. So by the end of this tutorial, you will not only know how to set up the connection, but also what you can do after that. And we will perform two simple demonstration of uploading a file and chatting with the document. So first, let's talk about the requirement. First thing first, what you have to have is an n8n account. If you don't know how, if you don't have an n8n account, just go into description and click on the link. You will get 15 days start. The second thing which you need to have is a vector, a Pinecone account. If you don't have account, go to pincone.io and create a new account. So let's get started. Let's get started this video. Now, first thing what we are going to do is, as you can see, I have already set up everything. So let me just delete all of this. If you're a beginner, so you can follow along with me. Let me just delete this, everything. So first what we are going to do is we are going to sign up with our account. Click on the sign up button from the top right corner and create a new account. So as you can see, I have already created a new account. Let me just delete this and attend and delete this indexes. So this is a Pincoin dashboard. When you log in with your account, something will look like this. Now, first thing what we have to do is to create an index. So go to left side and go to database, and from there you will see there is an option of indexes, and click on this create new index. Now from here you have to enter the name. For example, I will add an n8n 2, and then you have to scroll down a little bit. You have to choose a dimension from 24 to 768, and then just simply click on this create index button. So it will create an indexer where we can upload our document and chat with our uh, data. Now let's get back to our n8n AI agent, or sorry, n8n instance, and click on this add first. So I will add a trigger which is manually. Now click on this plus icon to upload a file. I'm going to use Google Drive. So click on this Google Drive and then click on the download file. And then after that, what I'm going to do, I will search for vector. Sorry, I have to search for Pinecone node. Pinecone. So they have this vector store. They will provide you for 5 actions like get round document from vector store or add document to vector store. So what I'm going to do is just simply click on this add document vector store, and from there we will connect the Pincoin account. Just simply click on this create new credential, and now it will ask you the API key. So for that, what you have to do is get back to your Pincoin, and then let me just get back. And in the left side of your navigation bar, you would get option of API key. Now, as you can see, I have created 3 API key. So just simply click on this create new API key button to get access of your API key. So give it a name like n8n3, and from here click on this create key button. Now make sure that you save. If you want to use again this API, then you have to save somewhere, because it will not give you permission to copy again. So make sure you have saved somewhere else. Just paste that API key and click on the save button. And as you can see, it will test the connection, and the connection has been successfully tested and it is connected. Now from here, you have to configure, which is I'm inserting document into our vector store. So I will choose insert document. And from here, you have to choose Pinecone index, which we have created just now. And now after that, what you need to do is you have to connect your embeddings. Before that, you have to make sure that you have connected with the Google Drive link to perform this operation. So make sure, if you don't know how to create authentication for your Google account, if you're using localhost, then you have to have a client ID and client secret. I have already created video for that. Go and watch that video so you can configure with the Google Drive. Now I will just choose my credential, and from here I have to add a file over here. Let me just find a name. I have already uploaded my file, and I have to just search that file. So this is that file, which is financial statement analysis of Google. So I have uploaded a file onto my Google Drive. So you have to search that and it will download. Now let me get back and click on this embeddings. And from here, you have to choose the embeddings. Like I will choose a Gemini because I have created credential for that. Now, if you don't know how to create a credential for Gemini, this is a free. Just go to Google AI Studio and let me show you. Just go to Google AI Studio. And from here, you will find the Gemini's API key. As you can see, just simply click on this Get API. And from the top right corner, you have to just simply click on this Create API key button. And from here, you have to select the project from the Google Cloud. So I have already created a video for this too. If you get any error, just come to my Discord server. I will help you to fix that. Now go to click on this document and select the default data loader. And from here, you have to choose the binary. And into mode, you have to choose load all inputs. And okay, that's all good. Now let's execute this workflow. So it will download this, what you call this, uh, Google Drive node. It will download the file and send to this Pinecone vector store node. And as you can see, we have successfully uploaded our financial statement onto our vector database. Now let's have a chat with our database. So what I'm going to do, I will just search chat trigger. Instead of using chat trigger, you can use the WhatsApp or Telegram. So you can send and you can get directly all the report and message into directly into your Telegram. So I will search AI agent and select the AI agent, and I will choose chat model, which is our Google Gemini chat model. I have selected the model of 2.5 Flash. As I said, I have already created a video for how you can connect Gemini to your n8n. So just go and watch that video and click on the tools. If we will going to select the Pinecone node, or you can say Pinecone vector store. So from here, you have to choose the operation. So what we are going to do is a retrieve document or a retrieve. Okay. I'm a little bit confused with, okay, you have to select the retrieve document as a tool for AI agent. And then from here, you have to add a description, which is give me the answer from, you have to give a description. Sorry, I thought it is prompt. Work with your Pinecone database document. And then after that, you have to choose the indexer. As I said, we have already created an indexer. You have to just simply choose that. Now let me just, and in the embeddings, click on the embeddings and choose the Google Gemini embeddings. Now we are good to go. Let's have a chat with our vector store. And I will say, give me the data of Google financial statement and hit enter. Let's see if it works or not. Okay. I'm sorry, I can't provide you with the Google financial statement through this tool. So, okay, I have to, there is an issue with it. Let me just check. All good. Okay, I have to change the n8n pin code indexer. Let's execute this tool. Okay. Now, as you can see, it worked. So it was giving earlier error, but it worked now right now. So as you can see, next net income, and I got my all of the data which is in my document. So this is how it works. Make sure you have selected the right pin code index, and that's how you can play with your vector store. So that's it for today's video. And if you want to automate this, all of the things, just comment it down below. I will create video for that. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.